We out here, New York State safety track, here with everyone, multiple different groups. What group is out right now? What group is this? So today we're not off to the greatest start. I accidentally put a toe strap around here and pinched this with it. So now when I squeeze the brake, I leak fluid, shoots out from right there. So I'm gonna try to take it off, put it back on. Hopefully everything gets secured and like works. I'll get some more brake fluid in there, bleed it, make sure it's good. But yeah, we made a oops while towing the bike down. Go, big boy.
I'm really hoping people were just taking it easy on that one.
That's novice. Everybody's like either their first time here or a beginner.
I don't think I braked into a turn once. I literally sat in third gear, just like accelerated, coast. Like coast, engine brake into a turn.
Is this bad?
What?
Is this bad that this happened? Like it's on the very outside of it. Nothing touches it. It's not
Right, yeah. I
don't
kind of
know.
feel like no.
I'm just trying to redo the seal right now. Nothing over here is like broken or bent, so. So does it? Do you think is this supposed to be lower right here or no? This piece right here.
Is it tight?
This is tight. I don't know. I didn't touch that around when I was loosening it.
I think you're good.
Yeah, you can take videos and pictures out there too.
You didn't help that?
This is the last part of it right now. going? I like your bike.
Thank you. I like that one better.
Yeah? Want to swap for a run or two? I think that'll be easier on my back.
That's the only reason I have them. I had one of those. No more.
track. I've been here for the last 11 years when the track is open. Passed away.
All right, so how long have you been riding?
My first bike I got when I was like maybe 12, 13 years old, 1973. So I'm 62 years old right now and still doing it.
How would you compare NYST to other tracks you've been on?
This by far is probably one of the most technical tracks there is, but the track sells itself. We sell everything else. This is more of a family atmosphere. You leave your stuff here all weekend, it's going to be here all weekend. You break down, we will help you.
All right, what's your favorite thing about track day?
Track day, meeting all the new people and looking at all these people that have been on the track before, the learning experience. You come out of here a totally different person when you go in the street.
All right, and do you have any advice for beginning riders or first-time track riders?
Beginning riders, please, if you do know how to ride a motorcycle, please come here because we're going to enhance all your performances.
And what ride qualities should someone putting themselves in the expert group have?
In the expert group, well, you have to be, number one, you have to be very steady in your times. You have to be very good in all, especially when you go out, you need to follow the right way. And this is how we build everybody up. It's not just going fast, it's going fast in a safe manner.
How y'all doing? I'm JC Gio. You can find my Instagram at JC_Gio or JC_Gio03.
All right, how long have you been riding?
About 30 years.
And how would you compare NYST to other tracks that you've been on?
I love a little bit of everything about every track, but NYST, being as technical as it is a great place for somebody to come and learn, practice on their DP. Basically, anybody who comes out here and takes the time to do things right, they're gonna come out and ride any track to the best of their capability.
All right, and what's your favorite thing about track day?
The camaraderie, getting together with my brothers and sisters, sharing knowledge that I may have, gaining knowledge from people that have more than I do or something different. And by all means, the therapy, that two-wheel therapy.
All right. And do you have any advice for beginner riders or first-time track day riders?
Take time to take courses. Take time to learn how to move on the bike, how to work yourself with the bike, become one with the bike. Don't worry about speed. Slow is fast. With technique and proper form, everything is going to speed up for you and you're going to enjoy the track or riding in the street a whole lot better. Look into doing Yamaha racing school. Look at places on YouTube like Life at Lean. And definitely come out to our track days. You know, if you get to work with a coach, you're gonna learn quite a bit. Open up your mind and always take your time.
All right, and what ride qualities should someone putting themselves in expert group have?
All those qualities: body precision, DP, throttle control, trail braking. First of all, knowledge of looking to where you're going. It's not about going fast. You know, again, I repeat myself, slow is fast. Taking your time to learn the proper technique is going to evolve you through the groups. You could drag a knee on your first day. You could come here and run a 140 on your first, you know, by the end of the day. It all depends on you and your capabilities.
All right.
And the coaches, they're going to be looking out for you. They'll push you where you need to go.
Thank you.
welcome to a Team Reckless Racing track event. We are a New York team who organize track days at New York Safety Track. We've been doing this for 2020, and what separates us from everybody else? We try to give people fun activity off the track and have fun on the track. So at all times of a track day, you're having fun. Last year, we ended up renting out 2 mechanical bulls. Talk to me.
All right, so how long have you been riding?
I've been riding for about 7 years.
7 years?
7 years I've been riding for.
All right, how would you compare New York State Safety Track to other tracks you've been on?
Safety Track is our New York backyard track. This is one of the most technical tracks that is very compacted. You don't have too much runoff room. So learning how to really handle your bike in this track will really open it up on the next track, on the bigger tracks. All the other tracks down south, there are a lot more room to maneuver yourself. If you could throw your bike around in New York Safety Track, you should be fine in any other track.
Perfect. And what's your favorite thing about track day?
The favorite thing about track day is that me and my team host it, okay? So we are allowed to put any spice that we want to. We try to bring Caribbean food. We try to bring riding bulls. We try to bring inflatables. This event, we was trying to get the bikini bike wash, but stay tuned for next year.
And do you have any advice for beginner riders or first-time track riders?
Going to the proper organization is key. There's a lot of events out there that you could just jump on, but they're not gonna give you the right guidance. People get misled by Team Reckless Racing. Why would you go to a Team Reckless Racing track event? Don't get fooled by the name. We are a very well organized organization, and we know what the people want, and we are here to give them that.
All right, and what ride qualities should someone putting themselves in the expert group have?
Definitely, you gotta maintain pace. You gotta have a certain lap time for you to be even on an expert level. Also, when situation presents itself, an expert rider should be able to how to handle the situation. For saying, if somebody comes on the outside and cuts you in on the turn, you gotta learn how to stay on the brakes, fall back, let him get in front, and you fall right back on him.
long you been riding?
For 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
What kind of bike you riding?
A Kawasaki 300 Ninja.
300 Ninja?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about track day?
My favorite thing about track day is just riding with people and having fun with them.
What group you riding in?
Intermediate.
Intermediate? When you see somebody in front of you, do you just assume that you can take them?
Pretty much, yeah.
He said yeah.